me again, and this time we're at the top of the hill. See that? We're at the top of the hill, and we're going fast this time, real fast. Whew. And I'm 100 again. And this time, there are cars. Yeah, this time there are cars here. Wait, I think there was cars here last time, right? Oh, not bad. Anyways, yeah, my dad's there. And he needs to move faster. Like, move faster. Move faster. Come on, move, Dad. I have to go faster. It's really urgent. Yeah. So yeah. What's popping? I just saw that chick from Cadis. Oh my god. I absolutely hate this. Okay. This is hard. Okay. Good. What you know about rolling down in the God, I'm over this. What the hell is that? Oh, I don't think you guys saw that, but a butterfly just went straight to my chest. But it's not here anymore. It flew away. Yeah, and that's my dad filming me. No idea why. He's weird. And look what we have. We got this now. All the flowers, all this stuff, and to our left, we have this smooth thing. Look. My butt is at the front of the thing, so it hurts. I've been one-handed for like 10 minutes right now. So, the shadow. That's so great. It's another uphill. I hate uphill so much, by the way. I hate it so much. Okay. Come on. Do this. Push. Oh my god, I almost slipped. Come on. Come on. Wow, that's good. Okay. We're going downhill again. Woohoo! But we're not going that fast. So we should speed up. Look at this. That's new. That's okay. Well, you have no idea how hard this is right now. You have no idea how hard this is right now, dude. Wow. That's where we are now, Selby. And this is the car coming. So I have to be careful. I have to be on the side. Yes. That girl was just watching me from the car. Like, she was like, hello? And I was like, hello? Whoa. What? Whoa, fish! And look. And it's not soccer, it's football. 59 plus 10 equals 69. Yeah. I got stuck there for a bit. My dad's just so far away. I don't know how he does this. Okay. Keep going. That's a nice house. That is a nice house. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I mean, it's okay. Is that even a house? If it was, 5 out of 10. Oh my god. No, 6 out of 10. 6. Oh yeah, bro, that's a 10 out of 10. Okay, 10. Okay. Why is my dad so far away? And how? Oh, go. This video is longer than the other video. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna pause it here now. So, bye guys. I see you when I get back home again. Bye.